Morning, everybody. Hope you all had a great weekend. Today is Monday, June 30th. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trying to get this all worked out. I don't know. We got a lot to do. Live on TikTok. I have no idea if I'm live on YouTube. Gonna be good morning, good morning, good morning. Got to get my YouTube channel set up. I'm not even sure it's going, but let's take a look. Had some weird things in Restream this morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, okay. I think we are live on YouTube. Let me get this finished then. Hope you all had a blessed weekend. Lots of fun, lots of great memories. Atlanta, and tomorrow is the 1st. Oh, wow. Think we're good to go. All right. Oh, yeah, I forgot to contact. Hold. Ask. All right, I think we're good on that. All right, let's see. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I don't even know where the heck we're at. Let's see. All right, you can hear me clearly on YouTube. Is anyone even here? Hold on, I don't even know if anyone's here yet. Good morning, D Nice. Good morning, Arginus Luna. Good morning, Stacy and Ruben and Guy Burger. Keith, can you hear me on YouTube okay? Can you guys hear me okay on YouTube? Keith Palmer, the great Keith Palmer is in the house. And Keith, I see that we're sending signals over to the Uno Reverse. Have we checked these? I'm going to go do that this morning. Keith. The great Keith Palmer is in the house. All right. Man, I got some sleep last night. Still a little tired, though. Gonna be the all right. Oh. Keith. All right, first thing we're going to do is there any calls to be made? I want to check these first. All right, hold on. Let's go down here and see what's going on. If you snooze, you lose. I love Keith. He's so funny. All right, we have a new call. We had a new call, 627. This is the last time we had a call, really? I have to go back there? What if it doesn't go that far? On 627, 2253. On 627, 2253. 627. $22.53. Is that what it said? Shit. And what symbol? That was SPX? Shit. Hold on. Oh, now it makes me change something. Okay, let me pull it up on my other one. Uno reverse. You can take this demo trade, market short, time was fired, snooze, you lose. But yeah, this is very fast. This does not look like the newest. I thought it was just here. What the hell is this one showing? Oh, it is a buy, NAS. Fuck. 22.53. Okay, that is the right one. Then let me go back to here. Sorry, guys. I want to check out something while it's fresh in my mind. So we need to go back. I love this little search feature. You know how much time this would have helped with... There we go. So it was a NAS... Oh, shit. 30-second. Oh, yeah. Correct call, baby. Look at that. Look at that. Correct call. Boom, baby. All right. The initial would have been... I don't even know if there would have been a drawdown. 22.53. I don't think so. It was green up. So let's see how much you would have made from the 22.53. 36 pips initially. Wow. Wow. Look at that call. Look, it's still going. Ho, 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 ho. Yeah, baby. Nice. 22.53. Let me mark it. Wow. $22.53. Yep, right there. Okay. So let's see. Let's go to a higher time frame now and see what happened with that call. Holy fucking shit. And it's still fucking going. Boy, if you guys don't have the Uno reverse yet, you need to get it. You need to get it. Holy shitolas. I don't know where that would have flopped in, somewhere around there. 233 pips on wowza. Sell stop US 30 to the 1 second blue line and 5 second blue line, but I'm not on that. That's not an official call. I'm not marking it. Wow. So at 22.53, what did US 30 do at that time? Oh, I guarantee you we know what. 22.53. Oh, shit. You want to know how many pips this is? You'd have got in, you would have got in technically at that orange line, but let's just go ahead and go right there on our yellow. 433 pips. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's all I can tell you. Holy shit, holy Batman. That is fucking incredible. Gonna be that low. Wow. Well, that was fun. Let's take another look. All right, the next previous signal from that one was an SPX fit. That's the one I thought I was looking at. 22.48. Well, it was a buy, so this was also in the money. Holy shit. So this one was in the money? This one was a 200 pips. Yep, let's see this one then. ES1 626 241 626. I'm only going to do a couple of these, but I am very interested to see how well they're working. 626, 241, 626, 140, ES 132nd. All right. Let's go back to ES1. And let's go over to the 32nd. And let's go over to here. And let's go back to 626 to 241. Boy, this search feature is amazing. I forgot who turned us on to this, but this is really good. Yep. Oh my gosh. You guys don't know, wow, what you're witnessing and seeing, but holy fucking shit, are you witnessing history? Look at this shit. Wow. And we're going to make it tidied up. Actually, it's going to become better. All right. Let's see what this looks like from here to here. Let's go to the 5 minute again. Jesus. It doesn't miss. Wow. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and call the signals being called into the Uno reverse rifle. Perfection. I believe all tiers have access to them. Hey, Keith, how do we check Uno River? Yeah, everybody in tier 1, 2, 3 has access to the room. Holy shit! I would really be looking hard and long into this. This is crazy good.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Taraya. It's my time. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. So, sevens, if y'all understand. Morning, Larry Cooper. Morning, Larry. Dark Lights. D Nice. It's my time. Change my life. Scartigo. Welcome to the channel. Change my life. Scartigo. I'm about to change your life. Sevens, if y'all understand that the signal room, the Uno reverse steroid rifle signal room, is now up and firing off amazingly well. Wow, that's incredible. Hundreds and hundreds of pips. No wonder why we're making that into a robot. Good morning, Fletch. Good morning, Saw. Good morning, Larry Cooper. And God bless you too, Larry. Good morning, John. Hope your knee's healing up. Good morning, George, GB. Good morning, Dwayne and Taraya Edwards. And good morning, Larry Cooper again. Larry Cooper, Taraya Edwards, and Guy Berger. Love the NAS. Yeah, I'm telling you, holy shit. Now, if any of these miss, please let me know, because we have to be aware of any of the misses that happen, but I don't see that occurring. I believe Keith is running with the US 30 being blocked. So US 30 has to be part of it. That's the only way you would have had a miss. Holy shit. Isn't it so cool? Not only did I figure out Forex, thanks be to God, and God gets all the glory, but now I have the ability to make a robot for you guys, and I think this robot's going to be our funded trader one. Well, there'll be no, I'm going to make it so there's zero, well, very, very, very little drawdown, and the call should be 99.9% accurate. And it shouldn't just work on one of these symbols. It should eventually be working on gold and any symbol that we put the robot on. Any symbol, ERUSD, can you imagine? Ha. Sox has got the signals, yeah. Wow. I mean, if you can't make money with these signals right here, I don't know how to help you. Wow, if you snooze, you lose. Yeah, make sure you're staying on top of these signals. Because if they're calling like a 10-second buy stop, man, you're going to jump on that shit. Good morning, Grant. Smart decision, Sog. I got the signals. Good morning, Grant. We're just going over the new room in our signal service room right here. Uno reverse steroid room. Wow. I mean, up hundreds and hundreds of pips off these signals right here. I just tested 3, but nonetheless, they're all accurate as fuck. They always will be. Wow, that's good to see, though. Nice. Wow. Morning, Miami Rocks. I have a feeling we're going to have a lot more people retiring with the system. Speaking of which, my main goal has always been and will always be to get you retired if you want to. List of retired or could be if they wanted to, the Safe Trade System members. D. Haas, he just was on a live recently, in the top 10% of his age group for money earned and saved. Retired. D. Nice, retired on 6/2/25. Marco Risby, retired. Kimberly Harrington, retired. Maria Tola is a stay-at-home mom, earns $300 to $500 a day. Mr. Gold, who comes on my lives all the time, I don't know, is he around this morning? Retired, and Kimberly Harrington does too. Adam S., retired. Josh Boos, retired October of 2024. Started his own business after he retired. Tommy's biggest trade, $203,000. Quote, last live we had him on, I'm forever grateful to Kevin for giving me the flexibility to just say no to work forever. To just say no. That's funny. How about that quote? To work forever. Rocket. Makes several $100s a week. Larry C. makes several $100s a week. Harry makes several $100s a week. We have one of our members done so well, Goroff, that he has his own regulated brokerage firm in Norway, and this is actually it. Where'd it go? Nope, not that one. Nope. Okay, I got too many shit things open, don't I? There it is. This is one of our members' regulated brokerage houses. Can't be more proud of him if I tried. Okay, that's Goroff. 2 members were homeless. Some people said this is very impressive. They traded their way out of homelessness, and if you haven't heard it, go to YouTube, my YouTube channel, type in Billy's story, The Safety Trade, and you're going to hear a very motivational live with him and Kevin also, Thera. One of our members was atheist. He's now saved because of the system. He said there's no way it could be this accurate unless God was involved. And his name is Russell. Very, very, that's the biggest flex for me, but evidently not everybody else out there. And there you go. Those are our people that are retired. Now, we have fantastic news. By the way, how annoying, and can you see this, by the way? The old ways of trading fail 93% of the time. I was able to make it so it flashes on the screen. I don't know how I did it, but I'm very, very cool. I think that's freaking awesome. Isn't that annoyingly hold on. "100% annoying when it's flashing like that"? I think it's awesome. The old ways of trading fail 93% of the time. I love it. Fuck the old ways of trading. Oh, let me show you something so you can laugh your fucking asses off. Watch this shit. Where'd I put it? Uh-oh. Oh, hold on. I think it was here. Yeah, hold on. It was Head and Shoulders. I'm going to add one of these old ways of trading on here so you guys can laugh your fucking heads off. Technical's my ad. Look how technical this is. All right. I think this is the one. Why? Gonna be what? Oh, come on. It won't even run? I must have blown something up. Hold on. Gonna be the love. This is so fun. I laughed so hard when I put Head and Shoulders on here. Oh, come on, really? It's so shitty, it won't even flow back. Okay, I'll work on that, I'll get it later. But man, I was trying to put on some of these stupid ass, oh, I see, okay. The old ways of trading. Look at this, so shitty. Won't even come on here. Gonna be the one. Okay. Anywho, we'll come back to that so you can laugh at that too. All right. Does anybody have any? It's me, Kim. Oh. Let's see something real quick. Good morning, Kim. Good morning to everybody on TikTok and YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, and X, and Facebook Live. I love this. Anywho. Let's see, we got anything rolling here. Let's make our call outs this morning. Get some money for you guys current. Oh, nice. Nice. We have a pullback. Let's see if we can get it to the 30-second blue line. Hold on. Yeah. Sell to the 30-second blue line, NQ1. NQ1 NAS. NQ1 NAS. 30-second sell stop. It's going to be a lot. Let me see how bad SPX is. Yeah. Let me go over here. Hold on. 30-second. 10-second. $15-second. Sell stop. 30-second blue line. NQ1 and NAS, NQ1 NAS and US 30. Damn, looks like US 30. Free money call. You have a free money call sell stop. First of the morning. I'm not going to call the actual numbers for you, but NQ1 and NAS, sell stop to what you see me posting right here. NQ1 and NAS, it's going to arch up, hook like this, come back down. You're going to see a space come up in here, and then that's going to come back down. You're going to see price action hook like that, and then come back down. You're going to see this one do the same thing. You're going to see this one do the same thing. You're going to see this one do the same thing. And you're going to see this one. Looks like US 30 is going to be next. US 30 YM1, sell stop to the 30-second blue line. Yeah, same exact thing. Now, I never play sells, so we're going to go up here and look for our buys. Nope. Let's come over here. One minute, 2 minute buy, nope. Just go ahead and say 5 minute buy stops, all indices. 5 minute buy stop, ES1, here's your take profits. You'll be hearing these go off by probably 9:40 this morning at the latest. At the very latest. Oh, I didn't know. Was there any news this morning? Shit, forgot to ask you guys. SPX 500. Here's your take profits for SPX 500. Buy, stop, let it follow it down as it goes down. Did it reset yet? No, not yet. It'll be there in just a second. Buy, stop, NQ1 after the sell. I just called the sell. You guys are so weird with your trading. Make sure you trade only buy stops. When I call off gold, for instance, it's a buy. You play any buy stop on gold. You just don't enter the fucking trade. I won't mention any names, but come on. That's like a rookie mistake 101. When I'm calling a buy stop 5 minute on YM1, I'm saying take any 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, buy stop until the 5 minute blue line. See, this is so weird to me how you guys trade. You don't take these at market order. You take these when I tell you, and then you look for the buy stops. Holy shit. That's so weird to me how some of you trade. Oh, Kev said a gold buy and get the fuck out of here. When I call these, trade them appropriately, for the love of God. 5 minute buy stop, all indices. Oh, I can't wait. All right, let's see on those sells. Sell stop, all indices to the 30-second. We have ES1 to the 30-second blue line. SPX to the 30-second blue line. Look for NQ1 to go to the 30-second. I'm calling this 30-second blue line. Look for NAS to go down to its 30-second blue line, as I told you it would do and is doing. Look for YM1 to go to its 30-second blue line. Look for US 30 to go to its 30-second blue line. It's already there. You're about to see this switch over to red. There it is. Told you, just as I told you. There it is. And now let's look for YM1. Will that be next? Oh, it's going to be close. You're going to see NAS and NQ1 turn to red, and then our Uno reverse robot, semi-automatic robot, will flip on. Woo! And the AI logic will take over. Woo, woo, woo. Holy shit. Good morning, Kim. Good morning to everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch. Oh my goodness, how am I supposed to find people who actually said something in here? Can I show people, can I stop the showing of the lives? Touchdown, Grant. NQ, thank you, Grant. Good morning, Roof. Costing life with the Roof Rabbit. Roof? Coding life with the Roof Rabbit. Good morning, Roof Coding Life. Welcome to the channel. I had to read your name a couple times. I'm a little tired this morning. Good morning, Cliffy. Cliffy, after these sells to the 30-second blue line, and again, just like the other day, it was Friday when I was willing it down and it did it. I'm willing NQ1. This is free money, by the way. Sell stop NQ1 and NAS to the 30-second blue line. Free money. Free money giveaway. There's YM1 hit it, by the way. Let's go to NAS. There you go. It's going to change. Flipping now. Flipping now. Where's my alerts? Oh, fuck. I have my volume off. Come on. Aw. Where's my alerts? There they are. We have activation. 30 seconds flipped on. 30 seconds flipped on. Now, let's see if we're showing our alerts over here. Oh, that doesn't help me at all. All right. We have, why isn't US 30 back under again? But it should have activated. Did it trigger? Did it trigger? Hold on. Oh, Lord. Hold on 1 second. There it is. So we have the start. This is fucking awesome. Now, what's going to happen next is this. Keep following on the way down. And I can't stand that I missed my little alert thingies. Is this. You're going to see the first time frame, the 1 second flip to green. And then we're going to get call outs when it's 3 out of the 5. So let's say NQ1 NAS US 30 flip upward. It's going to call SPX ES1 for us. Yay. Bed Chem. It triggered. So Larry Cooper. Thank you, Larry. What's up, Super Z69? What's up, Kev? Good morning, Trusted Kicks. Good morning, Kim Bernard. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. Good morning, V. Delaney. V. Delaney had just wrote in, good afternoon all. Well, morning for us, 8 o'clock in the morning, but I get you. Watching from Ireland. Cool. My sister and mother and dad and my sister's family all visited Ireland. They loved it, actually. New to trading thanks to a recommendation from a member on here. Thinking strong on to buying your system, Kevin, makes me excited. Nice. Well, welcome, V. Delaney. What's up, V? Larry Cooper. Does anyone here think that V. Delaney should get the system or not? We have tons of members here. Let's see what they have to say. Should V. Delaney, welcome to the channel and welcome being here. Good morning, Mike Snyder. Should she get the system, yes or no? Bed Kim. Ace Bullet. Good morning, Ace Bullet. Super Z, of course. Are you kidding? No, that's buy the system, change your life. So there's people commenting on TikTok and YouTube and X and Twitter and all that good stuff. Mike Snyder. So no, I want more than one person. See, I'm kind of firm V. And if I don't get more than 2 people saying yes or no to buy the system, I'm going to close down YouTube. We're not going to listen to YouTube. I'll be on TikTok alone. So if we don't get some more, Magic 8 Ball says, George, you're funny. GB says, strongly agree. Should V Delaney, if she's just getting opinions, all I want her to understand is it isn't my opinion telling you to get it or not. It's the other members here to get it or not, and speak up. Miami Rocks says, buy it, you won't regret it. Thank you, Miami Rocks, for speaking up. System is awesome. Absolutely best decision you will ever make for your family, says Kim. Thank you, Kim. You will love the system. There you go, says Stacy. Guyberger says, absolutely get the system. Grant says, buy, get the system. Magic 8 Ball from George. Yeah. So these are just people that are on here. I'm not paying them. They're paying me every month to have the system, or paid me for the system itself. One of the things you'll love about the system, since you're new to trading, is you don't have to learn all the old wrong ways of trading. My system's color coded. I'm sure they mentioned that to you. So let's go over here. And let's look. I have to call out gold, so let's look at gold real quick. All right. Red, Chem. All right. Here you go. So some of the things that you're going to notice that are different about my system is I have everything color coded. It's so easy to see. When you see this pattern right here, it goes green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. And then it goes up, and that's just what it does. The old ways of trading over here, you would do a raw chart, which is impossible, price action only, impossible to trade from. And then you can do add these RSIs, and I don't know why the thing isn't working, but nonetheless, you can try to add all these old indicators. They call them technical indicators. I call them bullshit indicators. None of these things work. Auto fib, good luck on that. You're going to save yourself decades of losses. Awesome oscillator. It's neither awesome nor does it work. Yeah. So all the old ways of trading fail 93% of the time. We know that because only goal is to get you guys retired. There's a list of retired people. Because the old ways of trading, such as the news or technical data, they can't allow the market to be open and free. It's 100% manipulated. They know if it's going to go up and down before it goes up and down, and you would do the manipulation too if you have a $7.2 trillion a day business for you. The old ways of trading, like Fibonacci, look to the left, ascending and descending wedges, support and resistance, naming of candle and candle patterns, RSI, most useless fucking pile of shit thing ever, RSI, Bollinger Bands, they all fail. How do I know that for a fact? Because they've done studies. Who are they? Everywhere from, everywhere from Princeton and Harvard have done studies on it, to the actual journals themselves have done study on it. And they found that 93% exit because trading is not a reliable way of making money. Why would 93% of all traders quit within 3 years if any of the old ways of trading worked? Obvious answer, they would not. Conclusion, the old ways of trading suck ass and fail us. So you just saved yourself, if you get the system, I mean, a decade or more worth of losses. So I'm very proud of you. Please look up Kato's. Yeah, just type in the safety trade. I'll be the only alive go underneath the lives, and I'm the only one. It kind of says in our school right there. That's scary. Katos, when you have a minute. Sure, let's look up at Katos. Oh, I never finished calling gold. Shit. Well, hold on. Let's look up. KTOS. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions. Let's take a look. Let's go up to the time frames where it will actually show us something. Okay. My system called for Kratos to be bought into here as a daily buy. Back when it was at $26. Kratos is now trading at $47. So I'm going to say you're a day late and dollar short on this one, Kim. Yeah, completely ridiculously too late. But let's see if we can get a higher one here for you. Your weekly, it's going to go to the 1 week blue line, but your weekly, you'd have gotten in here, well, you'd have got in here at $16, $17 back in March of 2024. My system was calling for a buy on Kratos in March of 2024 and again on March of 2025. And then it's going to go buy stop Kratos. It will be hitting $48.38 soon, 30 cents soon. Let's go over to 3 weekly. Gorgeous monthly. You are so late getting into this. Okay, monthly. You could have got into Kratos if you'd had my system at $12. Now people are asking me to buy it at $47. You should have had my system, and well, I know Kim does, but people out there should have had my system. You'd have bought Kratos on a monthly buy at $12.22. Now look at it. You're 400% too late, and now all you're doing is just sucking nothingness. By the way, this looks really bad on a 6-month sell. I'd be careful with this buy. We have way better stocks to take if you want to get it. Kratos is going to go up in touch. It's blue line weekly at 48.47.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Thank you, Miami Rock and Dark Lights, for speaking up. Thank you, Griffey, for speaking up about that. Thank you all for speaking up. Kim, Stacy, Grant, Guy Berger, Christopher, Cliffy, Trusted Kicks. So that is Katos. I'm not a fan of Katos. But there's way better out there. Speaking of which, let me finish reading off. Definitely study it. You're right, the Griffey. Let me go ahead and do time. Okay, buy stop silver 30 second. All right, let's go down here to 30 seconds. See what's going on. Look at the gold. Buy stop gold to the 3 minute. Are you kidding me? We have a buy stop gold to the 3 minute. Look at this. Right here. 30-second buy stop silver to the blue line. Love the trade. Love the trade. Let's go to the 1 minute. Buy stop silver to the 1 minute blue line. Love the trade. Love the trade. To the 2 minute blue line. Now what's going on with gold here? Hold on a second. Let's see. Buy stop gold to the 3 minute blue line. Gold still looks to me like it's having some issues here. Let me see what's going on with gold to the 30 minute. Sell. 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 Sell stop gold to the 2 minute blue line. We never do the sells on gold. I'm just calling this for you guys. Sell stop gold to the 2 hour blue line. Never take a sell on gold. Never take a sell on gold. It's only been a permanent buy since 1935. Actually, I think I got it down to 1908 or something, but nonetheless. Silver, sell to the 30-minute blue line. I'm just calling these out for your educational purposes. The only way I would take anything to do with gold is a buy until further notice. Specifically, gold is a daily buy. Daily buy gold. Gold will be going back up to 3,339. Gold will be going back up to 3,368. Gold will be eventually going past its 3,500 mark again. Silver, daily. You kind of missed the original push that I told you guys about the whole time. Gold was going up, but whatever. Silver, $36.31. Silver, $36.77. And that's a daily buy on silver. Just love these two. They're going to do fantastic. I already have. We've been calling gold to buy since I think it was 1,200 or something. I forgot when we initially, like 3 years ago. Bitcoin USD. What's up, Christopher? Yep, we're doing Bitcoin right now. Ethereum, 3-minute sell. Let's see what's going on with that real quick. Let's see. All right. Sell to the 3-minute blue line. Ethereum, it's going there right now. As I speak, it's doing it. That is too fucking funny. Sell stop to the 3-minute blue line. Ethereum, 2,458. It's going to go down and hit that. It's literally doing it as we're talking. Now let's go up to some higher time frames for Bitcoin. Yep, sell Bitcoin. Never do any sells on any of these symbols until further notice. These are permanent buys. Buys, hold on. Sell stop to the 3-minute blue line. Bitcoin. Yeah. We're already below it. I don't see it. Well, whatever. Let's go to the 5-minute. Yep, same. Let me go over here to the 5-minute. Yeah, there it is. XRP just hit its 5-minute blue line. All right, next up. Let's go up to these higher time frames for us. Bitcoin, 45-minute buy stop. 45-minute, 90-minute buy stop. Bitcoin, as after this is done going down, 108,180, take profit. 108,441, take profit. Bitcoin. Ethereum, 45-minute buy stop. Ethereum, 2,479. 2,500. Ethereum. XRP, 90-minute buy stop to the blue line. XRP, $2.19. After these sells, this is what it's going to do. $2.21. Let's go up to the dailies. Oh, gorgeous. Daily, weekly buy stop, XRP. 3-week, monthly buy stop, Ethereum. $12-hour daily buy stop, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's already shot up a lot. Bitcoin will go back to 110,000, 112, 115, 120,000. Ethereum is going back to 2,500, 2,600, 27, 2,800, 2,900, 3,000. Eventually, Ethereum will go past 4,000 again. XRP is going to go back up over $2.29, then $2.50. Love that trade. That's the favorite trade for XRP. $3, $3.30, and then $3.50, and then $4 XRP. And those are all your gold, silver.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
And Bitcoin. Nice. Looks like we can go down to the 1 seconds here and see what's going on. Let's see. 1 second buy stop to the blue line, all indices. Nice. Let's put this right here. We're going to add an alert. This does not mean you take market order, you silly, silly people. What this means is you take any buy stops you can find until it hits there. For the love of God, I swear to God, the one guy who took that gold trade, oh, watch, it's going to go directly against. No, it won't. No, the fuck it won't. You follow the rules of the system and you don't have bad luck. When you're a silly person, clown person who doesn't follow fucking rules, then you have bad luck. Buy stop to the 1 second blue line. Want to know how your luck's created? Follow my fucking rules and you'll have good luck. Oh, the market turns immediately against me. No, it doesn't. Good morning, Adam. V. Delaney, are you on TikTok? Thank you, Larry. Good morning, Adam Knapp. Am I clear about having luck trading? Your luck is created by how much effort you put into my system. That's how much luck you have. Fuck out of here. Looks like NQ1 and NAS are going to hit their 1 second blue line first. There you go. There it is. There, oops, there's NAS. Told you. There's NAS. Told you. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 dong. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. There we go. Even if it doesn't touch the 1 second blue line, which it will, we made enough money on that movement up. That's got to be at least 3-4 pips right there, at least. 30-40 ticks for those of you trading that way. Nice. How can a system make those kind of calls? Gee, I don't know. Do 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 do. Just wait for it. I'm just jumping the gun. Just wait for these to turn like I told you. These will flip to green, and then we'll get these 3 out of the 5 or whatever to flip. It'll make the call. We'll see call-ups come here. If they do, if they don't, they won't come up. See the start of it? I just love this thing. Oh my God. Our little robot, little engine that could. There you go. There you go. NQ, NAS 100 to its 1 second blue line. NQ1 heading to its 1 second blue line. Listen to the money talk. SPX heading to its 1 second blue line. Look at it. ES1, it's in the game, heading to the 1 second blue line. There we go. YM1 heading to its 1 second blue line. US 30 heading towards its 1 second blue line. When I make my call outs, ES1, there it is. Blue line touch, ES1, 1 second. You're welcome. 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 When I make these call outs. When I make these call outs, demo only, do not place a market order, dumbasses, only place buy stops. Am I clear on this? You hear the money talk? Do you hear the money talk? Ricochet, buy stop, ES1, back to the 1 second blue line. Listen to the money talk. Am I clear? Yes or no? Am I clear? Yes or no? Am I clear? Yes or no? When I make these call-outs, demo only, do not place a market, only place buy stops. If I hear another dumbass come back to me and say, oh, I took a gold trade and everything goes against me. No, it doesn't. Follow the fucking rules. And you only take buy stops when the buy stops occur. I swear to God. Oh, he said buy stop to the blue line. Oh, the. Follow the fucking rules. Swear to God. Dealing with so many fucking people. I just have bad luck. No, the fuck you don't. You just have a mind that can't follow directions. How about that? If you have fucking orders that follow directions, you can actually fucking trade properly with my system. Code is done. Waiting for things to start flipping to verify. Nice, Keith Rooney. Nice, Keith Rooney. What Keith is saying is the initial code for a robot that we're working on for you guys that will be ready anywhere from about 3 months to 6 months. And I'm telling you, anyone that's in the system supporting Bree and I, and of course Keith and KJ to a point, anyone in the system, while we come out with this robot, will get the system extremely cheap. There you go. Touchdown to the 1 second blue line, US 30, as called out live. Bingo, boppo, bango. YM1's doing the same thing. Told you right there to it. There you go. Look at them all flip and come up. Look at them all. NAS, YM1, NAS back to the blue line as called out live. NQ1 will be going to the blue line right now in front of your very eyes. Boom, there it is. Told you, as I told you, there it goes up from my mouth to God's ears to your wallets. SPX, free money giveaway, SPX to the blue line. Free money giveaway, SPX to the blue line. Free money giveaway, SPX to its 1 second blue line. Boom, baby, it's right here. It's right there. It hasn't even flipped yet. Look. Free money giveaway. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Woo! Who is cranking? Free money giveaway. Who called this to the 1 second blue lines before my system even called it? How can I do such maneuvering? Gee, I don't know. Probably perhaps because it's my fucking system. I've been using it for years and years. Good morning, Larry Cooper on TikTok. Dark Lights on TikTok. Super Z Kev on TikTok. Miami Rocks on TikTok. Taraya Edwards, it's my time on TikTok. User 7649 on TikTok. Kimberly Harrington. What's up, Kim? So glad you're here, Kim. Adam Knapp on TikTok. D Nice on TikTok. User 1570 on TikTok. I don't know who that is, but welcome. Sal, welcome. Ryan Marcus, welcome. Blessed by Jay. Good morning, Blessed by Jay. Welcome to the channel. D-Man, welcome. Well, I know you're here, D-Man. Vera Delaney, you found us, Vera. What's up, Kev? I see Kevin, and I'm Kevin. Who the hell's Kevin? Welcome to the channel, K. Pryon. Good morning, Kevin. Good to see you here. Oscar Gonzalez, good to see you here. Mike Middlemas, welcome, Mike. And Dolan and Adam. You guys stumbled across a life-changing system right here. I'm calling out 1 second buy stops. I've given you free money. You could have gotten in here, 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 here. You still have time to go to the 1 second. This is SPX 500, also called ES1 for those of you who do your silly little trading. There we go. It's going to turn again. This is going to turn to green right here. You're going to see this turn to green, and then this will turn to green. All right, this isn't good for our open, though. We need this shit to fall. All right, let's go to 5 seconds and see what's up there. 5 second buy stop to, shit. To the blue line, US 30. There it is. It just turned to green as I told you it would. There's no other trader on earth calling this live 1 second. There isn't a fucking trader that has balls enough to trade the 1 second chart. Let me be clear, no offense to anyone here, but there's no one doing this. No one's trading 1 seconds. No one. Look at the correct calls. Gold is now correct. Let's take a look at gold and see what's going on with gold, shall we? Silver and gold, silver and gold. One is silver and one is gold. Gold is flipping off. SPX is correct calling. Look at these calls being made over and over and over and over and over again. We told you SPX was going to its 1 second buy stop, and it is. Told you ES1 would go. That's already passed. This is free money. Free money giveaway. SPX. When I tell you free money giveaway, boy, you better back up the Brinks truck and make your money. You have already would have made all the money from here up to here. Whether it touches the blue line or not, it's called an H&H trade, is insignificant. It will, by the way, but it doesn't matter if it does or doesn't. You've already made a shit ton of money. My call was correct. Oh, you're welcome, Kim. Up $500, says Christopher Barone. You go. Great call on Bitcoin, says Christopher. You're welcome. Amazingly, Keith. Keith. SPX crossing. Look at SPX. Look at it go. Told you, SPX free money giveaway. Look at it go. Look at all the correct calls flashing before your very eyes. That isn't heaven. This is just me making the correct call again and again. Told you. Bop.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
You're welcome, Larry. No, I'm not high on anything. I'm high on life. I'm so happy and grateful to have another day of life. I can't thank God enough. Every one of you should be thankful. Look of what you're witnessing. Look at all these correct calls, one after the other after the other. Look at them all. Now, how many might there be? Gee, they're all green again. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line. All indices. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line. ES1, it's in the game. Take that trade demo only. Buy stop SPX 500 to the 5-second blue line. Buy stop NAS to the 5-second blue line. Buy stop NQ1 to the 5-second blue line. Buy stop US 30 past the blue line. We have NQ1 to the blue line. We have NAS to the blue line. NQ1 to the blue line. Ricochet, buy stop US 30 to the 5-second blue line. Ding dong, baby. We're making some money. Ricochet, YM1, back to the blue line. Look at them all. You want to see how many correct trades we have? Let's go over to here. These are all the correct trades from today. Take a look over here and see them all. Look at them. Look at all the new ones. All those blue ones are the new ones recently in the last, 3 minutes or something. Look at them all. All from today, baby. All from today. We got about another 20 to go before I hit my 50 mark, but we'll hit it. Look at all those correct calls going directly into my Gmail. There's no fucking around with Gmail. You're not hacking it. I can't pretend these are correct. They're all correct. Ding dong, baby. Buy stop back to the 1-second blue line US 30 Ricochet. Dee. Let it fall. We need this shit to fall down hard, by the way. Before open, how much time I got? About 20 minutes. There we go. We need this shit to fall hard. Now we're going to see these change and this change. Let's go back down to SPX. If any of you like to learn how to trade for once in your life and actually make money consistently, you've stumbled across the right trading system. Thank God it brought you here. Buy stop, Ricochet, back to the 1-second blue line. SPX 500, ES1, it's in the game. All right, let me go back to gold now. Wasn't that fun? Look at little Bitcoin go. Yep, that was easy. All right, let's go back to here. Uno reverse. Reset, Keith. You got to reset, Keith. Woohoo! Let's go back down to there again and see. Reset, sell. Nice. Look at this. Look what it's calling now. See, you guys don't have this upgrade yet, Larry, but this is what Keith and I have been working on. This is the start of it. First time frame switched to green. Now it reset. It came back down. See, the indicator Uno reverse you guys have can't make this trade. It doesn't know it yet. But now with the upgrade, you will have this reset, and now it's going to call out the trades again for you. Is that not cool? So when it resets, it goes back to the 1 second, the 5 seconds, and resets itself red again. The old way, you couldn't track that. The new upgrade to the new indicator. So we have a new upgrade given to you by the great Keith Palmer, coded by the great Keith Palmer, given to you by my beautiful wife, Bree, and myself. And now we're upgrading the free upgrade. So the Uno reverse is being set. And the only reason why we're doing this is because we have a robot we're creating. Then this is, we're going to be getting you better entrances too, by the way. Watch, this will turn to green. And that's it. So there is a free upgrade to your free upgrade already coming. There it is. Ricochet back to the 1 second blue line in the money on US 30. In the money on your US 30 call, in the money on the YM call, in the money on the NAS call, in the money on the NQ call, in the money on the SPX, and it's still going to go up and touch that right here. Free money giveaway. ES1, look at it. Free money SPX, free money SPX, free money SPX, free. Am I clear? Free money SPX. It'll be hitting that line. Wow. Look at you guys. There's US 30 back in the green. Here's SPX going to go back in the green. Ho, 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 ho. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. For you, those of you new to the channel, you can come over here, buy my system, $575. I strongly recommend it. No, it is not sold out. Some dumbass said that last week. No, this is the $575. You can still, oh shit, you can still get it right there. Then you can possibly become retired. What does that mean? Oh, I don't know. My only goal ever is to get you guys retired. Just like D. Haas is retired. He just came on the live Fridays in the top 10% of his age group for money earned and saved. He's retired. D. Nice is retired. Marco Risby is retired. Kimberly Harrington is retired. Maria Toller is a stay-at-home mom, makes $300 to $500 a day. Mr. Gold is retired. Adam S. is retired. Boost retired October of 2024. I'm so proud of him. Tommy can retire. Rocket makes several $100s a week, so does Larry and Harry. Congratulations to one of our members who is now a regulated brokerage firm from the system. He was so successful with it. He is now a regulated broker in Norway. 2 members were homeless. They are no longer homeless using my system. So those are your people. You can retire if you buy the system, study, work at it. You may be able to retire in the future and grow my list. Buy the system, retirement. Buy my system, grow my system. Buy my system, possibly retire. Okay? Now, there's your free money to the blue line as called out. It's going to go right back up there. You're going to see this turn to green. Next, you're going to see all these turn to green. Ding, 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 we have a winner. Ding, 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 we have a winner. I do believe you're going to, there it is, to the green, to the blue line, turning green right here. Bop, 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 bop. There you go. There you go. I wonder if we should change our arrows to blue. Should we change our green arrows to blue? Because it's going to the blue line. Look at that right before your eyes. You name another trader in the history of the world that's trading 1 second buy stops. Go ahead. ES1. Go ahead, show them. Look at all these correct trades over and over and over again. Name somebody else live that's doing this. No one is doing this. No one. No other trader other than my members are doing this. No one. Period. There you go. We have 10 new, 11 new different, look at them all since I last brought it over here. Look, 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 look. Oh, we're almost to it. Give me about another 10 correct calls. And we're going to be at 50. Told you. Look at this shit. Here we go. Here we go. To the 5 second blue line. SPX 500. Ad alert. ES1. It's in the game. Already passed it. NQ1. It's already passed. It's going to do it again. Buy stop NQ1 back to the blue line. SPX ES1 back to the blue line. 5 second buy stops all around. You have money. You have money. You have money. Look to the 10 second blue line. We haven't even got to the 5 second blue line. Let's go back over to here, folks, and get over to here. I'm going to make, look at it go up before your very eyes, as I call it, from God, from my mouth to God's ears into your pocketbooks. Look at this shit. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. SPX to it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. ES1 will go to it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. YM1, let's go over here to US 30 and see ricochet back to here again. Gorgeous trades. I hope this pulls down really hard before open for us so we can make some money. For all of you again, look at this shit. Look at this shit. Correct call after correct call all morning long. Here goes NQ1 and NAS to its 10 second blue line. Then it's going to be ES1 and SPX. Not am I calling the trades. I'm telling you the fucking order they're going to happen. How about that? Look at this shit. Take the buy stops until the 10 second blue line is hit. Let me see how far down it's dipping. Nice. SPX. Go to SPX. 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 Oh, gorgeous. SPX to the 10-second blue line. Take your time. Now we can go to the 5-second. SPX to the 5-second blue line. Buy stop SPX to the 5-second blue line. Take any buy stops you can find. Do not do market orders. For the love of God, do not do market orders. Some of you are just so can't even follow basic fucking instructions that I give you. You're going to do really good if you can listen to rules and understand them. Don't get my system if you can't follow simple fucking rules. Whew, this is fun this morning. Wow, how much time we got left? Oh shit, 15 minutes to market open. That ain't good. 15 minutes to market open. 16 minutes to market open. 16 minutes to market open. 16 minutes to market open. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Larry Cooper, Darklight, Super Z Kev, Lazarus, D-Man, It's My Time, Tarai Edwards, Kim Harrington, Adam, Little Joe. What's up, Little Joe? Very Delaney coming over from YouTube. Ryan Marcus, Hope. Good morning, Hope. Good morning, Boost. Welcome back to the channel, Boost. Was just talking about you early. Nice. Coach is the master. What's up, Larry? Good morning, Persistent. This is so much fun. This is so much fun. Congratulations, Christopher Barone, for making $500 on your demo dollars on your Bitcoin, on my Bitcoin call. All right. Buy stop, you have plenty of time. Buy stop to SPX and ES1 5-second blue lines. Plenty of time. SPX is the better of the two. Da, 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 da. This is so much fun. Now, I have to check gold. We'll come back to this. Just chill for a second. Chill for 1 second. Peoples. No talking inside the Discord when I'm live. Do not talk inside the Discord while I'm live. Oh, shit. My defense to Coop, I did not post up that I'm live. Fuck. Of course, I'm live. Hold on. Let me grab this. It's hard to remember to do all that shit. Hold on. All that stuff. Ho, ho, ho. Just 1 second. All right, give me a second to post this up. And there, my bad. It's Monday morning. Give me a break. All right, now let's get this put into the learning room. The Uno reverse, sniper chat. The sniper system call out pop. Okay, there we go. My bad, Coop. Coop didn't know that I was live. Good. We need a big ass pull down. All right, this is what we need to see happen. Hopefully, right before open, over the next 10 minutes, we're going to see this dip down super hard. I've been drawing the same thing out for the last week. We need this to pull all the way back down. This isn't far enough back down. What I'm meaning is this. We need to see all of these turn red over here. I want them all red again. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get it. Fuck. Well, it is what it is. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line, US 30 hit. YM1 hit. NAS hit. NQ1 hit. SPX hit. Look at them all pop up. Look at them all pop up. Look at them all pop up. 10 more correct calls. We can't even get the fucking pull down. ES1, all of it correct. All of it correct. Every trade. We have an alert. The safe trade system, Kevin's version, SPX to the 10-second blue line. Correct. It not only did it make the correct call, it's doing it right now. There it is. There it is. Keith, I hope you're gathering all this. Look at this shit. 16 more correct calls. Are you fucking kidding me? 17 more correct calls. You can see the number right here. There it is. The semi-automatic robot called the Uno Reverse did it for you also. Da 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 da. Wow. 21 more correct calls. 21. Boom. Fuck. It's all green. We can't even get the pull. Okay. We need a pullback in the next 10 minutes or I can't trade the buy with you. There's nothing I can do if we can't get this pullback within the next 10 minutes. Fuck. It's all green. Everything I said came true. I'm happy, thrilled for you got in the trades. But I want to make some money at market open for you. Damn. Let's see how many more correct trades we got. 24 new correct calls. The Uno reverse kicked in. The Uno reverse kicked in. 10 minutes to market open. Look at all of them. We're up over 50. I knew we could do it. We're up over 50. Yep, we hit over 50 correct calls. There you go. There you go. Let's see what's being called now. US 30 crossing. Yeah, because these, remember, these were all set up earlier today. Buy stops, just getting started. Buy stop, SPX 500 5-minute. Buy stop, ES1, it's in the game, 5-minute. NQ1 buy stop. And NAS 100 buy stop. YM1 5-minute buy stop. I called these all this morning. I told you where they were going this morning. I told you. It's still going to go up. Here's your take profit right here for US 30. And then eventually it's going to go up to there for US 30. We need a pullback though. Big pullback here. Buy stop. Another take profit hit. Another take profit hit. Buy stop YM1 5-minute. Told you where this is going hours ago or an hour ago. How long? Almost over an hour. NAS 100 5-minute buy stop. NAS 100 5-minute buy stop. This is where it's going to. I keep telling you where it's going to over and over again. There it is. There it is. There it is. NQ1 buy stop. Let's see. Oh, this is so much fun. Buy the system if you haven't bought the system anymore. You too, if I can do it, my members can do it. My members can get retired. My members can do this stuff. You can do it. There's no reason. If anyone else can use my system to be successful, you can do it too. Bullshit if you can't. If you think you can't, that's wrong. Of course you can. ES1, plenty of time for this buy. Take any buy stop until ES1 is hit. That does not mean take a market order. Some fucking morons that do gold. Oh, I can't, blah, blah, blah. Fuck out of here. You don't have bad luck. You have bad listening skills. How about that? You don't have bad luck. You can't follow simple fucking instructions. How about that? The market doesn't turn against you when you have my system. I'm telling you for a fact it does not. So don't give me no shit. There's your 10 seconds. Remember I was calling this out to the 10-second blue line, everybody? You blew past the 10-second blue line. Remember I told you the 15-second? You blew past the 15-second, the 30-second, the 1 minute. Now you're engaging into the 3 minutes. Boom. Now this is the problem that's going to come in. We need a pull down. We need this to come back down. I mean, I know I got greedy. I know I asked for it earlier. I know it did it. I know it all turned red then turned green again. But I got to tell you the truth. We need this shit to pop or I can't get you in the trades for the open. I need this to come down hard. I need this to come down hard. This to come down hard and stuff before like 6 minutes goes by. I don't think it's going to do it. YM1 in the money. YM1 in the money. Told you. SPX in the money. Look, there it is. Went right back to the center line. Told you. We're still going to go up to the orange line, YM1. SPX 500. Told you where it was going and that you had time. There it is. You still have time. It's still going to go up to that orange line. 6,199. You still have time. ES1. Let me go back over here. ES1. Look, I mean, God, what more do you peeps want in this world? Free money. I tell you when to get in and out. I'm giving away free signals 24/7. Well, not 24/7. Every time I come on, there's free signals. I tell you what's going to do before it happens. I give you everything. Look at this. And to think I had one of my putz-ass guys, one of my members, try to go against me. Matter of fact, we got to get a hold of Attorney Cross. We need to sue his ass. Fuck his ass. Follow the rules. Don't try to reinvent anything. Be grateful I shared this stuff with you. You should be extremely grateful I'm sharing this with you. Damn, it just keeps going straight up though. Fuck, how are we supposed to get you guys in? Maybe we can do gold. Hold on. No. Hold on. 1 second buy, stop gold to the blue line. One second buy, stop silver to the blue line. Silver and gold. What blue line I'm talking about? It's literally here on your fucking screen. That's the one I'm talking about. If you see this little buy right here, you can get in right about there and just hang out. Gold's a permanent buy until further notice. And I didn't go through all my other symbols. Oh my God, I only have 5 minutes. Fuck! I didn't go through the other symbols. I didn't do Nike and fuck. Oh, fuck. Do I have time to do them all? Can I whip through them super, super fast? Can I whip through them super, super, super fast? Shit, why isn't this flipping anymore? Should I just skip it or should I go through them all? Should I skip it or should I go through them all? How much time? Oh my God. Literally 5 minutes. Should I skip them or do them? Skip them or do them? Nike 15-minute 1 hour sell. Buy. Nike 15-minute 1 hour buy. Take profit one, $73.43. Oh shit, people are asking questions. Go through them, says Keith. And you don't lose. Patriots AR-15, cool name. Sorry, I'm new here and thinking about getting a system. I've been subscribed to your YouTube for a while, but if we're taking market orders, and what are we looking at for exact entries? Jesus, Patriot, that's Patriot. For the love of God, you take a buy, stop, green, 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 red, green, green. If you said you've been here for a minute, I don't believe you. 3 minutes to market open, I can't do it. I trade mainly futures. I'm assuming the rules for what to look for. Yes, people trade. Tommy, the guy right here, has a, what does he have, a $2 million? I forgot what he came on yesterday, Friday, and said. This guy right here trades future. His biggest trade is 203,000 on gold. But he has a funded trader accounts. He has a whole shit ton. Pending orders, Patriot. I'll be free for a bit. I won't be free for a bit this morning, Keith. Also, welcome and buy the system. Thank you, Larry. Gonna cook some breakfast anyways. Anybody else want a breakfast burrito? Nice. Cliffley, you can do it. Kevin, we believe in you. That's funny. I'm in, Keith. So pending order would be buy, stop. That's correct. That's why I say buy, stop, sell, stop. He has a 3 million account. Thank you, Larry. So he started with a $300,000 account and he 10x'd it to 3 million. That's Tommy. Gold. Let's go to gold. Yeah, if you've been watching me at all, you know what a pending order is. 1 second blue line hit for gold, 1 second blue line hit for silver. It's going to ricochet. Pink's going to come back up. It's going to go past this yellow price action. It's going to go back to that blue line right there. There it is. Past the blue line. On silver, you're in the money. On silver, you're welcome. And you're in the money on gold. You're welcome. And there it goes again. There you go. There it is. There's your 1 second silver, 1 second gold done. Oh shit. We only have a few minutes to market. We have like a minute. Oh shit. No, Keith, I don't have that much money. I don't have this much time this morning. I gotta go. We gotta get this in. Fuck. 1 second blue line hit. Gold, 5 to the 5 second blue line. 1 minute to market open. Buy, stop, gold. Buy stop gold to the 5-second blue line. Buy stop gold to the 5-second blue line. Let's go over. Let's see, what can we trade? What can we trade? 10-minute, what's our thing showing us here? Oh, good. NAS. NQ1 and NAS. Buy stop to the 1-second blue line. You have time. You have time. Take the buy stop on NAS to the 1-second blue line. NQ1. What do I say when I say 1 second fucking buy stops? What the fuck, do people not hear what a fucking buy stop is? What the fuck? What the fuck? Give me a break. A buy stop is a pending order. If you don't know what one is, just ask your broker so you can have a fucking idea. All right, buy stop to the 15-second blue line. Just, oh, this is great. Let these motherfuckers fall. Let all of them fall. SPX, let you, is US are gonna fall though? I don't think it is. Market open, market open. Stay right here. Buy stop NQ1. Stay right here. Buy stop US 30. Just stay here. If it doesn't go up by 10:30 this morning, wait till 2:30 this afternoon. It'll go up. This is gorgeous. Go down, go down, go down, go down. We need this to flip and these two to flip, and it'll reset our AI again. Nice. Buy stop YM1. Buy stop YM1. Let's go to the 5 seconds. Oh, this is gorgeous. To the 10-second blue line, buy stop YM1 to the 10-second blue line. For some of you who don't know, that is a future. Buy stop to NAS's 10-second blue line. Buy stop NAS to the 10-second blue line. NQ1, buy stop NQ1 to the 10-second blue line. Nice. SPX to the 10-second blue line. ES1 to the 10-second blue line. Nice. Let's go over to the 10 seconds here. And let's see the 10 seconds here. There we go. Let's open these up. Here. Here. Tell you any 1 second, 5 second, 10 second buy stop to the 10-second blue lines of all indices. Just sit here and wait. We want it to go even lower, kind of-ish. We need it to go down to the, yeah, US 30 to the 30-second blue line. Let's see if we can get there. Yes, US 30 below its 30-second blue line. Buy stop US 30 off its 30-second blue line. Just keep following it down. Follow it down, follow it down, follow it down. Take profit, 44,043. Take profit, US 30. 44,053. Just keep following it down. 1 minute. Gorgeous. 3 minute. 5 minute buy, 5 minute buy, 5 minute buy, all indices. 7 minute buy, 10 minute, it's a little late, 15 minute buy. 15 minute, 15 minute. 15 minute buy stop, all indices. Whether it hits now or hits later, just pay attention to this buy, take your time. If it keeps going down, just follow it down, rule number 7. This is gorgeous. Boy, they don't give you a lot of opportunities like this. You can see where I'm putting in my take profits. Make sure you put your take profits there. All right, Keith, are you ready to talk, bro? Are you ready to talk, Keith? Let's go over it, Keith. This is gorgeous. This pullback is exactly what you guys needed to re-enter. Has it triggered yet? Yes, we should have a trigger. We should have a re-trigger. Start. We have a re-trigger on the thing. Okay, this is how you guys play this. I have to run. Wait for the 1 seconds to turn green. Then play any 3 out of the 5. So when NAS, NQ1, and US 30 turn to green, play SPX. Okay, Keith's ready. All right, gotta go. Oopsie, gotta go. All right, so remember that. Wait for the 1 seconds to turn green, and then the 5 seconds, 3 out of the 5, the 10 seconds, 3 out of the 5, 15 seconds, 3 out of the 5, the 30 seconds, 3 out of 5. All right, God bless you all on TikTok. Take care. See ya. Keith, I'm calling in 1 second. Okay, there it goes. TikTok. YouTubers, God bless you all. What a fun morning. Wasn't this a blast? It's a fucking blast this morning. Yes. How about this, expatriate? I'm going to give you one final thought. Go over to my YouTube channel if you're not there. Go under playlists. Go under any of the playlists, but go under the Uno Reverse playlist right here. right here. Right, I ain't got time, right here. Watch these, put some effort in right here. Go over to here, watch these videos, and it will tell you when to get in and out of trades. It's very specific.